program for people that want to start in Germany their new products, their services, and they want to sell to 80 million people in this country. We are operating in Germany, and we have done many projects in Germany with different major companies and middle-sized industries, and we can now give you the opportunity to sell in Germany. On the German market, you can sell your products and be very successful, because we are your person in Germany. We will talk to you via our Facebook group, our closed Facebook group, and we will answer all your questions if you be a member in our program. We have a coaching program, massive personal coaching program for people that want to start in Germany their business. And we are for them, and we are there for these people. We will answer their questions, and we will work one-on-one on their projects and help them be successful in Germany. So be successful in Germany. We will help you make your company grow in the German market, because in the German market there are special rules, like the opt-in rules for your email campaigns and some more special rules. And we know these rules because we are operating for 15 years in Germany. And we can help you start your business with our new coaching program that is now available for you, and your complete cruise and your complete business will start in Germany. Be very successful. I hope you like this opportunity, because this opportunity is now available for a very short time for people in the United States and England and across the countries outside of Germany. And with this opportunity, you have the right people to get your business started. And if you have problems with customers, you can get new customers in the German market, because they are hungry for new products, and they will love your products. We will help you start in Germany with your products, because we will answer your questions via Facebook group and give you more communication ways. We will communicate on the way you like. We can communicate by phone, by email, by Skype. We can communicate by Facebook video call. We communicate on the way you like, and this is a private coaching program where we will help you start your business. So now it's your time to start with us your business. So I hope you like this opportunity. So look below on this video and be a member in our coaching program, and you will be successful in the German market. Thank you.